Hi guys. Welcome back to Nico Adam channel. This time I will invite you to visit one of the most beautiful places in Norway, which you have to visit when you come to Norway. That is the GEIRANGER Fjord. In this travel video, I will take you to explore the beauty of GEIRANGER Fjord through cruising on ferry from GEIRANGER village to Helzult. Before continuing, don't forget to support my channel by pressing the subscribe button, and also pressing the bell icon, so that you always get notifications for my latest videos. Thank you. One of the many highlights of this trip is the fjord cruise on the famous GEIRANGER Fjord, a UNESCO-listed World Heritage Site, and Norway's most beautiful fjord. In 2005, the GEIRANGER Fjord, as part of the West Norwegian Fjords, was inscribed on UNESCO's list. The fjord landscape, and the unique climatic and geological conditions in the area, make it one of the most beautiful and distinctive fjord areas on the planet. You can discover the iconic UNESCO's World Heritage Area GEIRANGER on foot or by boat. In western Norway, GEIRANGER is home to some of the most spectacular viewpoints. We drive from Eidsdal and stop at the Ormsvingen viewpoint on our way to GEIRANGER. From this viewpoint, we admire the view. The view is so magnificent, so beautiful. We visited GEIRANGER Fjord on last August, and the weather was good. In winter and early spring, you can get to know GEIRANGER Fjord without the large crowds. During this time there is a quiet calm over the landscape, the air is sharper, the light clearer and the shadows deepen. When we visited GEIRANGER, we saw a large cruise ship, called Norwegian Prima, which consisted of 15 deck floors, and could carry more than 2,000 passengers. The journey from Ålesund to GEIRANGER was 3 hours long. And on the way back to Ålesund, we have to take ferry to Helzult and continue drive to Ålesund, and all in all took us more than 3 hours. We visited GEIRANGER Fjord on last August, and the weather was good. In winter and early spring, you can get to know GEIRANGER Fjord without the large crowds. During this time there is a quiet calm over the landscape, the air is sharper, the light clearer and the shadows deepen. This section of the road is closed in winter. The road to GEIRANGER is part of Norwegian scenic route GEIRANGER, Trollstigen.
nagih dia, tapi apa ini langsung motong dari
pulang itu dari daerah ke yang rumah putih itu yang sini namanya viewpointnya. Tapi ya kita kan kalau pulang menanjak lagi.
Along the fjord, there are a number of abandoned mountain farms and impressive waterfalls, including the Seven Sisters and the Suder. If you look up towards the towering mountains surrounding the fjord, you will see mountain farms clinging to the cliffs. It's hard to believe that people actually lived there not too long ago. You've probably heard of the famous waterfalls Des Jusisteren or the Seven Sisters, Vryreen or the Suder, and Broedslord or the Bridal Veil. These waterfalls are most impressive from the fjord, either on a car ferry between GEIRANGER and Helzult or in a boat or kayak. But unfortunately, this time the volume of waterfalls was not too much, but still interesting. Enjoy a cup of coffee or maybe even a waffle, as the boat slides slowly past the magnificent landscapes between the charming coastal town of Ålesund and the idyllic GEIRANGER. You can get that meals and pay what you eat by self-service.
Karena gunung gitu ya.
Iya.
Terus biasanya pas ujung-ujungnya Fjord ini ada kota-kota kecil. Kota kecil yang agak subur lah, bisa untuk pertanian, terutama rumput, mereka rumput, ternak.
Kita turun sini ya.
Iya, nanti di highway itu. Nanti kita yang belok ke kanan.
Nanti ada nyebrang sekali lagi ya.
Tren di sana harus.
Hampir sampai ya. Keren nih Jordi, keren nih.
Also work with vascular surgeons, sometimes cardiologists.
Di sini ayah fotoin Jordi. Cahayanya bagus.
you do a trip like we did, exploring the GEIRANGER Fjord. On the trip, you will experience the changes from the open coastal landscape to the narrow and dramatic fjords. You also travel through that 3 fjords. Without realizing it, the 1.5 hour journey on the ferry, cruising the GEIRANGER Fjord will end at Helzul port.
Mepet ya. Di sebelah mepet juga ya.
Next trip, we will continue the journey for about 2 more hours to reach the city of Ålesund. Once again, thank you all for taking your time to watch my travel video. My son Jordi, accompanied by my colleagues, Mr. Haro and Mr. Sunu. Thank you Mr. Haro, who already drove our car along the journey that day. Guys, please keep supporting my channel, so that I will be more enthusiastic about making my future travel videos. Thank you for watching. Salam.